Hello, future Great Danes. Welcome to the University at Albany, and welcome to this virtual open house. My name is Avidan Rodriguez, and I am the president of UAlbany. And this is my friend, Damien's cousin, who's here to visit us. First, let me congratulate you on being part of the incoming class this coming August. We would have loved to have you here in person on campus. Unfortunately, that is not possible, but we are delighted that you have joined us for this virtual open house. We have all been getting better at doing lots of things at a distance, and this open house is a great example of that. Our team has designed an amazing program that will help you explore UAlbany and all we have to offer. You'll learn a lot more about what life is like at UAlbany. You'll take a deep dive into the academic experience in our 9 schools and colleges. And you'll get information about financial assistance for your UAlbany education. So you're in for an exciting journey with our faculty, our staff, and current students as your guides. But before we go on that virtual journey, let me tell you about 5 important things that characterize the University at Albany. First, UAlbany is a comprehensive Research One university, one of only 131 in the nation. Second, no matter which of our over 50 majors you choose from, we provide personalized pathways that support your individual needs and aspirations. Third, we have distinctive high-demand programs like emergency preparedness, public policy, cybersecurity, environmental engineering, and biomedical sciences, just to name a few. But across our academic programs, we support every student to become engaged global citizens and to help us provide solutions to the planet's most pressing challenges. Fourth, UAlbany's location in New York's capital region provides incomparable access to internships, hands-on learning experiences, career opportunities, and leadership development. And finally, we are a welcoming, diverse, and engaged university dedicated to helping you unleash your greatness. Are you ready now for my test regarding what distinguishes the University at Albany? At the end of this experience today, I am very confident that you will see why UAlbany is a very special place where obstacles become opportunities, a place where innovations take flight, and a community where people come together to create a better world. No matter what the future holds, UAlbany will be here, supporting you to be the author of your success. After all, we've been around for 175 years. So that's it for this stop on our open house, but there's much more in store for you, so let's get to it. Thank you very much for joining us in this virtual tour today. Please stay safe and stay healthy. Muchísimas gracias, and go Great Danes!
At the University at Albany, turn ideas into action. Turn curiosity into cures. Turn grit into glory. Turn passion into purpose. The University at Albany is home for dreamers and achievers just like you. At the University at Albany, unleash greatness.